So a couple of you guys asked about the Paul Reed Smith project, and I thought, let's go ahead and do it. Oh my God, this is a disaster. I started off by using heat to get off the 2K finish, and I thought I was getting it all off, but then there's some sort of poly sealer on here, and it's impossible to get off. I've been using 36 grit on the back, and I've got the most massive swirl marks I've ever seen, and it still took a while to come off. I've never ruined a 36 grit piece of sandpaper, but I have. I have literally sanded this guitar for almost 2 hours. The top, the back. There's no way I'm going to touch this neck. I'm going to probably just put another coat on, color it black. What I thought was going to be a fun woohoo project, this turned into the same thing with the Les Paul, which was a complete mess. So this is one of the things I'm working on. I just wanted to give you guys an update. If you're thinking about taking on a Paul Reed Smith project, don't, unless you really, really enjoy sanding and getting messy and pretty much ruining your Saturday and Sunday, which I really thought stripping the finish would be 30 minutes. Clean it up, sand it real quick and be done. This 36 grit is way aggressive, so I'm sort of reshaping the top slightly. I even had the awesome idea to pull out the power carver because I thought that would be better. The funny thing is, when you're doing this, you get to the 2K with the heat gun, get to the sealer, nothing takes the sealer off. I tried stripper, I tried more heat, nothing happens. So you gotta sand it, so as you sand it, you don't get to the point where you get a little bit of color, and then like you immediately go right through. So whatever material they're using for the sealer is unbelievable. I even reached out to Brad Angrove. Him and I have been buddies talking for a while, and he's like, it's bulletproof. And I was like, no, it can't be. And it is. So working on this Paul Reed Smith project. This will be a long time coming because I'm already pretty pissed off. I ruined my weekend. Should have been working on something else. But if you're thinking about taking on a Paul Reed Smith project, it is not as simple as you think. It requires a ton of work, a ton of sanding. So just keep that in mind as you guys are looking for projects. So just a quick tip on what a huge pain in the ass this poly sealer is from Paul Reed Smith. This will be cool when I get it done, but I'm not sure when I'll post the next update. I've got just hours and hours of sanding, so, and I probably got another hour because I got to get the sides still. Ugh. So thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next vid.